you sure about? We're not gonna fit, bro.
Yeah, we're not gonna fit. If we are gonna fit, I'm gonna push you guys over. I'm not gonna lie.
You can be in between us. Alright, JD, you wanna go first this time? You should go first this time, bro.
I don't wanna
I feel like JD should go first this time. I know, that was smelly. That was worse than when Texas Chainsaw had it.
Hey, this door better not open.
No, it's okay. Oh, uh-oh, sorry. Oh, never mind. Hello.
You okay? You good?
I don't know. Damn, people are screaming, bro. Oh my god, bro. Come on, guys.
Oh!
That smells good. What is that? A rat? What is that? Ooh.
Oh, gee. Oh my gosh. Why would you do that?
I don't know.
Is my guy good or not? Hey. Is he okay? Oh my god.
You saw the mic, right?
I see you, bro. Hey. Hey, shit! 2 in a row! That's not funny! That's not funny, dude! Hey, that's not funny!
One more time! Oh my god! Cheating! Okay. What the hell? What in the hell?
Hey, what the?
That better not move, bro.
Hey, that's some freaky stuff, dude. That's that morning weather.
I thought that was gonna move for a second. Oh my. So none of us have watched this movie, right? I don't know either. Oh damn! What the hell?
That's a good head, dude.
That's a big head.
Alright, chill, bro.
Oh shit!
Oh!
Wait, what? We're in the room. We're in the bedroom again.
If we just go in a circle. He's taking him.
What in the world? What is that? I know.
That's some freaky stuff. That's freaky. Hey! Oh, this isn't cool. Oh! No. Nah, that's not funny, man. No. I'm not doing it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh. It's bad. The big head is bad.
Why is it hot?
I know. Oh my god. The reaction with the clown game. What?
Yo, I hate clowns. I hate clowns. Why are there so many clowns?